How do you make perfect restaurant-style meatballs? This recipe is how you will do it.
There's something magical about a perfect meatball. Golden on the outside, tender and juicy within. The kind you'd find at a great Italian restaurant. Today I'm going to show you how to make them right at home, from scratch. Let's start with the ingredients. For the best meatballs, you'll want a blend of ground beef and ground pork, equal parts, about half a pound each. The combination gives you richness from the beef and tenderness from the pork. You'll also need 1 cup of breadcrumbs soaked in half a cup of whole milk, 2 eggs, half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan, 4 cloves of garlic finely minced, a handful of fresh flat-leaf parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat. Now, the most important rule of meatball making: do not overwork the meat. Add everything to a large bowl. The beef, pork, soaked breadcrumbs, eggs, Parmesan, garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Use your hands and mix just until everything comes together. Overmixing makes tough meatballs, and we don't want that. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to shape. Use a scoop or your hands to portion out meatballs about the size of a golf ball, roughly 2 inches across. Roll them gently between your palms until smooth. You should get about 20 to 24 meatballs. Place them on a lined baking sheet as you go. Here's where the restaurant magic happens: searing. Heat a thin layer of olive oil in a heavy-bottom skillet. Cast iron is ideal, over medium-high heat. Working in batches, add the meatballs without crowding the pan. Sear them for about 2 minutes per side until you get a deep golden brown crust all around. Don't rush this step. That crust is flavor. Once seared, transfer the meatballs directly into your simmering tomato sauce. Let them finish cooking in the sauce over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. This is the secret step. The sauce infuses the meatballs with flavor and keeps them incredibly moist. No dry meatballs here. And there you have it. Restaurant-worthy meatballs, made right in your own kitchen. Serve them over pasta, in a sub, or just straight from the pan with crusty bread. However you enjoy them, I promise they'll be the best meatballs you've ever made. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. If you love classic comfort food done right, subscribe to Angel Culinary Kitchen. And be sure to visit our sister channel, Bible Scripture Lives, where you'll see the Bible in cinematic form with stories that help you in these present times. Give this video a like on your way out. Many blessings and much favor until we meet again.